Select your team on TradeSpot and start playing Apna game. Download the app now.
Leg spinners do is they try and use their ring finger to turn the ball.
Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal, Washington Sundar. Fantastic.
Nice, very nice. This is really key information.
Again, do you have a ball? Do you have a cricket ball close to where you are sitting?
Yes, I have, but I need to go and get it.
So please go. Can you go and get it? Because we want to ask you about Chahal and Chahar and their multiple grips. If you could show both Ridhima and me, it will be a real learning for us and for every viewer. So why don't you get a ball? And because I was thinking that, it will be a bit of a masterclass also from you. So if you could kindly get us a ball.
Sure, I will.
Awesome. Meanwhile, Boradev, since Pragyan was mentioning about the bowlers, I was just looking at RCB squad, and it seems Virat is taking all his bowlers with him to Australia. We've got
True. Siraj, Saini, yeah. That's a really nice point. Nice, yeah. I mean that I didn't think about it. And you're absolutely right. Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal, Washington Sundar. So everybody. Pragyan, nice point. I mean, all of the RCB bowlers are actually traveling to Australia. So, it sort of absolutely helps them, and there will be a continuity in terms of rhythm. Except Rahul Chahar, I think most of the Mumbai Indians guys are also growing. Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya, Jasprit Bumrah. So also, except Rahul Chahar, everyone's going. Nice.
All right, go for it, Pragyan.
Yeah, so I think if you talk about Chahal is a more conventional spinner. So he normally, see if this is the ball, can you guys see it?
Yeah. No, we can. Yeah.
Yeah. So normally what leg spinners do is they try and use their ring finger to turn the ball. So if you look at Yuzi Chahal, he's a conventional spinner. He uses his ring finger to spin the ball. So and then at times when these new guys, what they're doing is the variation is they're holding the ball like this when there is some dew to get a better grip. This is how you get a grip on the ball when there is dew on the ground. When you do that, then you kind of get this. You can see there is some thread here. So those things will help you because this middle part, which is a leather, this becomes wet and it doesn't let you grip conventionally. So that's what all these bowlers are doing. When you talk about Rahul Chahar, this guy more turns the ball with his middle finger. That's what I've seen. So when you do it with your ring finger, you get more revolution on the ball. That's the reason Yuzi Chahal is able to dip the ball better than Rahul Chahar.
Fantastic.
Nice, very nice. This is really key information. Whether you want to add something to that?
I just want to know that, when you said backspin, can you explain that to us? That when you were talking about Mohammad Shami the other day, that bowlers use when, the backspin on the ball. Can you explain that a little bit?
Yes. So normally, lot of bowlers you have seen, we always see we see normally the layman watches the game. It's like this. They think the ball goes like that. But backspin is when you use your wrist. See this. This is the backspin. The ball releases like that. When the ball is actually traveling forward, but the ball is spinning backward, that is backspin. They do this. Use the wrist. When they cock the wrist and hit with the wrist, that's when the ball rotates backward. When it rotates backward, there is a high chance of a slight late swing, or maybe when it pitches on the wicket, it moves a little bit. So that's all the world's best bowlers, they do that because to get that little bit of late swing on the ball, especially with the white ball, because in a white ball everybody expects the ball will not swing after the ball gets old. If you give that backswing, you have seen many a times Mohammad Shami or Jasprit Bumrah later on when they bowl Yorkers, the ball moves a little bit. That's because of the maximum number of backspin and the wrist. I'm talking about the wrist that they use. It really helps them. That's where they become very different from other bowlers.
Fantastic.
This is very nice. So, Pragyan, just for my interest, what is Jasprit Bumrah's action like? Like, what makes him so lethal? Like, what does he do with his wrist in hand?
I think he is exactly like someone, if you talk about like Muthiah Muralitharan or Paul Adams, he's just different. Ajanta Mendes, he's so different. That is his strength. He's not a conventional bowler. Look at Lasith Malinga. They are not conventional bowler, but the way they bowl, that angle itself creates a doubt. I remember first season he played for Mumbai Indians against RCB. He just shocked Virat Kohli with that angle. Suddenly a ball, you see conventional bowlers coming and bowling from top of your head, and then one boy coming, tilting to one side and then bowling with that different angle. Virat was shocked. Before he could react, the ball hit his pad and he was LBW. And a young boy getting Virat Kohli at that stage was a big statement. That is only because of his unconventional action. And I believe if you are being successful with a certain way, you should just follow it and just do what you do. And he's just gone, he's been like in a great run, and he's been doing well for his franchisee team, his home association, and also for our country. So he should just follow it. Should not change his strategy and strength.